Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be benchmarking the Crucial P5 Plus. These are the results for the Western Digital Black, but that's a very expensive drive and it's very fast, as you can see the results. If you've not checked out the video, go check it out. So we're onto the Crucial one now, which is the P5 Plus. This is I bought them for £88, or well, I got them cheaper than that actually because I got a discount, so about 70 something for 1TB. And yeah, let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so this one is not as fast, but it's not terribly bad on speed. See, 64, that's almost the same as the other one, just a couple hundred MB down. That is not bad actually. But yeah, I think where it will suffer is on the write speed, where the other one was doing 6700 write speed. This I think won't touch that, so we'll see anyway, guys. Okay, from the second result as well, you can already see it's dipped quite a bit by 2000 compared to the other one that stayed at 6000 on the second level. So yeah, you can see already it's not for sustained high speeds, obviously. So once that cache fills up, it gets slower and slower. So let's have a look. So the other one was about 1000. Let's see, 948. That's not bad. It's not bad at all for the price. Western Digital one is about 100, and so it's about £20 more, 25 pound more. But you do get higher speeds. It's the right speed you're going to be, you can notice the speed difference on, I believe, mainly. On the lower end of this, I think it was 80 or something. So let's see how low this goes on the random reads, the small random reads. Come on, 65. Yeah, so obviously you can tell as the tasks get more difficult and more difficult, you get less speed. That's why I chose the drive as my main drive. So for the extra bit of speed, do you want to go for a, that's why I chose one hard drive, the main hard drive that I use as C drive, as the Western Digital one, and then I bought 3 of these as my normal storage because they're very fast regardless. They're not the fastest, but they are very fast, like extremely fast. But yeah, that's why I chose these as my other drives, just to save a bit of extra money, you know. And yeah, you can obviously tell the difference already on the write speed. You're hitting about 5000 write speed, whereas the other one got 6700 write speed. So you can see the big difference on the speeds difference. So that's why these are cheaper. But are they terrible? No, they're not. Are they're very good actually. They're very good for the money. Very good. And yeah, I highly recommend this hard drive. But yeah, if you're gonna do something like I am, if you have multiple M.2 slots, make sure you get a fastest one you can get as your C drive. Then your system will be speedy with no slowdowns at all. You have no bottleneck there. And then you can put your other drives as these ones, you know, save a bit of money that way without any compromise on speed. You know what I mean? So yeah, we've seen the same results on the bottom bit there, 4750, whereas the other one was touching 7000. Insane, guys. But yeah, either way, I'm still impressed, guys. I'm still impressed. It's not bad at all. Still very fast speeds, guys. I also do have one in one of my hard drive slot is these are generation 4 hard drives. I do have one in, there's only 3 M.2 slots that are PCI for Gen 4 slots, and one is Gen 3 slots, and one of the Gen 3 slots has one of these in. So if you would like to see that, I'll do that now as well. So with the Gen 3, it's the same hard drive, guys, but the difference being, so Gen 3 is this one, extra games drive, which is a G drive. So it's the exact same hard drive, guys. I'll show you that. How do I? So yeah, can you see 3 of the exact same drives, and that's the one highlighted. So yeah, exact same hard drive, boys. PCIe 3, not PCIe 3, Gen 3. So I'm gonna do that now. It's a G drive. I'll show you the difference just in these two speeds here. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with the rest because it's too much headache. Okay, so don't pay attention to these bottom scores, they have not been obviously updated. Okay, so these two, you will notice a big cut in speed because he's running at Gen 3 speeds, half the speed basically. But that is because it is what it is, you know. That's because that's the slot, the motherboard slot limit of that one. But it's not the reason I chose to get another Gen 4 hard drive over a Gen 3. The price was the exact same, so it's future proofed anyway if I want to move it along into a newer system with all, you know, and we're at the maximum speed that this Gen 3 can offer anyway, the slot. So that's good. And then the write speed, let's have a look, halved as well. So yeah, you can see the difference between Gen 3 and Gen 4. Same hard drive, guys. Gen 3, Gen 4, half the speed. See the difference, guys? So yeah, the same will happen here, half everything. And yeah, because there's a limitation on how much speed you can do with a Gen 3 slot. There you go. Hope that was helpful for you guys and you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to sponsor my video, my channel, then let me know, guys. And yeah, look, my PlayStation 2 collection. Ooh. I have a lot more actually on the hard drive of the PS2 somewhere. PS2 is down there, PS4 is there. Is that PS4? PS3 I mean. PS4 is there, right in front of my eyes, I'm blind. PS5 we don't have here, but my brother plays it. So all the old consoles are basically here. And then you got my PC here, my two laptops somewhere. One of them's dead, which is the main one. So now I'm being forced to sort this PC out quicker than I was expected, unless I can fix that laptop. But yeah, it's got some sort of power issue. I hope the motherboard's not fucked, but yeah, we'll see. It's just a random Acer build quality, you know, very poor. Alright guys, thank you so much. Good night.